Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment. I play one round of my game and then I decide what I work on today. Dev project. To play everything again. Okay, start one command in the terminal. It is run dev. Wait for a few lines to appear so I know it's ready. Waiting. I think one more line. This should be ready. It runs in the browser. Interested in what's new. Localhost for me. Okay, seems fresh, but let's just to be sure start. Okay, it's definitely fresh. I'm the guy in the middle. First I have to choose a class. I take sniper. The sides are enemies. If I come close to them, they attack me. The power of my head is my P. If it reaches 0, I die. If I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died. It's stronger the more I kill. Enemies get stronger further away I am from the middle, and now I try to get as far away as possible. It's a short introduction, now I just play. So it's easy for me as a sniper because I have more range than the enemies. This will change soon. Because enemies have more HP and give more XP, have more HP. There's the first boss. Gives me a skill point. I take stay still. It's my skill point. It's a dangerous. Great. I need to stay still. This was strange. Something strange was happening. So stay still. I've already after the reload if I didn't misunderstand it. Some trick I can do, it seems. Don't know what it was. Shit. Okay. Damage and range is the best upgrade for this direction. Take speed, I guess. 60. Okay, distance. So I take, I think more rifles, I like more additional charge. This chain is more damage, but it's more damage if I play well. boss, I take split shot, take slow. Okay, close. 16k distance. Something off. I think I want one more boss. In optimal case, I will definitely get one. Damage is looking decent. Below. Take. This chain is fine for the boss, for the king. Take additional charge. Yeah, I reached the king area. Think I wait for one more boss or do it. Let's try it. Let's reload. Let's start. Careful. Less dangerous. Okay, decent. And I won. This is replay, so copy this replay. Okay. Test replay, long sniper. Shorter, interesting. Save it. Let's check if it's activated. Deactivated them all? No, I only deactivated Short King. Okay. So this was 1-1. Let's check a few things. Damage meter is damage in range 37. Okay, no mischain makes this, so mischain was done well. Even here it's 14%, interesting. Since this is what I expect. 29, 30. Okay. Achievements, check finish days. I think this is correct. Log, I think this is King has 50, okay, so it's fine. Let's see, I did a test run for sniper, so this is done. Increase version. 330 today. I what do I work on next? New short test replays and as modifier I need to check a few things. Okay, what happens if I curse? Okay, this should be just increase the curse. Okay, and future checks. But also, I checked everything. Playtest myself. I could do a longer playtest. I think, but I guess I start with new short test replays. Don't even remember if they all were broken. Start. It's new, I don't care. Test, one test replays. The first two still work. I need builder, tamer. I need builder and tamer. Okay, only builder and tamer. So let's do restart builder. I take builder. One or two level please. One more upgrade exactly. Now I can die. Smart copy last replay. Short builder. Now tamer was what I said. Let's kick this guy out. I say tamer. Let's just do tamer. I guess this, yes, tamer was it. Okay, kill a few. Here, thank you. Protecting me now, he no longer died. We last replay short tamer. I have short ones. Test replays. Works. Sniper worked. Builder is new, replay and works. Tamer is new and works. Short ball works. Okay, so I have new short. Missing the short. What did I call it? Short king. Okay, I need the short king scenario, so I game state. I have to think. There's 1, 2, maybe I even do this one. So I will want to invest money in each upgrade type. I take all legendaries. I will take all walls I cannot take. But I have multiple sniper. So I guess let's start. I take sniper. I take try take as much as possible. I took everything, money and everything. I put my money. I missed. Let's try. Oh, I'm on side distance. Next try. Fine. I killed him. It's a con. There's a con. Okay. This was my short king. Copy last replay. Short king. Paste. Save. Activate. They should be. Okay. One test replace. And the first 5 I already checked, so now what did I fail? Didn't I not? I short king. There's no short king. Did start something else. Did I restart too soon? Oop. Test replace, next try. What is happening? Short musician. Short musician is missing. Okay, I failed. And my short king failed. This is not good. Why did short king fail? Okay, but let's fix short musician. Adds data fresh. Play some instrument. Okay, perfect. Copy last replay. Position. So short king is replaced by test again. Okay, because the retry is not a class, I missed. I have 5 classes. Musician worked. It's not good that my replay doesn't work. King failed. Can I somehow find out what changed? Only replay not working. Did I not restart correctly? I think I restart correctly. Let's get only this one. I want to see if the start is correct. Of course, I had still cheats activated that it broke. But I only had the cheat check mark about no cheat. I want only the short king. Or I want the short king first. It's better. I want the replay to be frame skip. No timeout. Maybe. I double this to once. Let's try. I test replace. Take everything. So until here it looks fine. Took everything until here looks fine. I invest in stuff until here looks fine. I closed the menu in the one. Maybe this is the reason. But here I'm already in the incorrect position. Could there be a reason? Yes, we better said. But something is to fail. So I have probably a bug in my game. Synchronization bug. This is bad for multiplayer. For single player wouldn't matter. Just check. I shouldn't use mask point random in the wrong places. This paint dark. Okay, this is fine. Spotlight effect is fine. Play is fine. Server is fine. Okay, this looks fine. What else? We can try it a second time. Load and then hope I don't. Maybe because of some not correctly saved value. So let's go here. Let's die. Saves. Now a reload. I just have two sniper tamer. I can. Oh, here's a third. Okay. Let's restart. Press 1 to take a class. Press every. Take every. And take. I took everything. Invest. Go invest. Instrument sign. It's down. Now go here. And step to the end. Let's see. Think. Okay, it's dead. Perfect. Now, if I'm damage meter, I'm interested. Dash did it most damage. After snipe. But the damage values are all too high. But dash snipe can damage outside. Dash can't. The snipe I hit stuff outside, which makes sense. So green dash did the most damage. Ah, okay, dash gives damage taken debuff. Of course, it doubles everything. Makes sense. Now copy last replay. Now try again. Lord King. We paste, save. I can put the timings back to 6G. And let's say one test replace. This looks correct. Oh, it fails too. I died. Interesting. Something is not working. How could I... How could I... I could deactivate the ice curse and see if it fixes it. And then I know if it's ice curse related. But it worked before, so it should be, but maybe I did some other changes. So let's deactivate map modifier ice. The main thing I did now, I would need to reset the state, so I don't have any ice curse data. I activate the endgame state. I go die, so it saves. I load. I take sniper, I take legendary. I take everything I can get here. Sniper. Only 2 snipers is not much. Let's get a new state. Looks better. One more time now, I have one more legendary, it doesn't matter. So, do the same again. Sniper, take thing, get multiple stuff. Okay, I think I have everything. Invest money in each thing once. Okay, I have. I press 2 buttons. I line myself up. That I in looking good. I won. Now last copy last replay. 2 short king. Place. Save. Test. And I want test replace. So far it looks similar. It's in and it works. It's a success. So I have to assume it's because of the eyes. To the right. Class other what I did. Last test. I will again activate ice curse. Will load clear data. I will create an endgame state. Die, so it saves. I will load my big sniper class. I take every legendary. I trade everything I get. I put some money in each building and my west and down some points. And now I king. Seems I have so many pets, they slow me down. Let's just replay. I again short king. Again reload. Again test replace. This time it worked. Not good. So I have there's some bug somewhere, which I don't know. King we play. Not working. Not king record. Short king recording. Not always resulting in working play. This will be very, very hard to find out. I don't know if it's ice related, if I got unlucky for some reason. I can no longer blame it on ice, but I should validate ice, I guess. So the only thing I should validate is what I do on paint. Because if I do stuff on paint, I could find out might be something off, but here is no paint. Create on game init go area on chunk create modify. Does chunk create happen on paint? This might be a reason. If chunk create happens on paint. Then I would have a problem. Or I might have a problem. I have to verify. It should not happen on paint. Okay, let's verify. Chunk create modify, who calls it? Darkness modify, so I guess create new chunk does it pass and entry to got a map tile ID. Tile no. Get map tile. Don't think it matters for paint. Does it? Or snowman. On death. No, this shouldn't be. Curse ice. Tiles to ice. It's on tick. It's not a. Did I mess something up with this? This I use for map generation. This should only be ticking. There could also be some reference problem. This would load incorrectly. But then I would need to let's look into a broken. Didn't save the broken, so I didn't commit in between. But maybe for now I commit the new test ones. New test ones. New test replace. Test replace. New short test replace. And long sniper replace. It. Now, should I care for it more? Maybe for now I ignore. I did the short test replace. Now let's check a bit. Check eyes auch on king. Okay. Which means I clear the data. I need a close curses. And let me think about the order. Should I put it on a legendary? Did I already check a legendary? I don't check this curse on legendary. I need to probably should check multiple. Okay, okay, so I think it's helpful to curse a legendary. This would mean I need a legendary slot. I want King HP. Let's get it. So now I have a sniper. I want sniper recursed. I think and I'm not interested in the curse. Even take a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's give it charge slow trail charge speed. So I have I don't think they attack me, so I could level of this legendary bit? But no. 3, 4, 7. Did I max it? Not quite. Okay, I'm capped. Oh, I can overcap with a boss skill. Interesting. But okay, let's see. This in here. I need to grab and take the ice curse, then defeat a boss, a king. Okay. See, I don't need this. I need. Where is it? This side, I guess. Like this. Okay. So I curse myself. It's not the strongest curse. Even. No. Okay, now. Oh, I'm the idiot. I should deactivate this one. But now, okay, I took it. Now I have to kill. Now I'm cursed king. King sign. Curse size 11. So let's see. He has a curse. He changes tiles to ice slowly. How much damage does it do? 30. Or was it the snipe? It doesn't do damage to me, I guess. It doesn't slow me. Is it not? It's always assuming. Why? Why? Wasn't immune. So these lines hit me. This doesn't hit me. I need to pause. I need to check. I need. What do I need? Game, state, boss stuff, bosses. 4. I think the last one is the one. Ability, base aura. Damage 10. Next tick is looks fair. So now let's get ability base aura. Was it never configured for? Yes, definitely was. Paint ISO, no? Tick ability, tick ice aura, tick ice aura. So this one. For next year. Okay, so I play, I unpause. It doesn't happen. Pause. Tick ice aura. What next? Does the king not tick? Oh, he ticks his abilities. What is missing? This is a passive? Passive 2? Is this missing? Did I not look correctly in it? Passive is 2. Next tick time. Did I not reset the next tick time? It's probability. Okay, I can go here. This would need to happen. Let's make myself very tanky, I guess. So I unpause and I'm Emmy. I have my enemy here in the position. This is my king. Did I this? King? I have a next tick time. I have a game time. It indeed not resetted. Is indeed not resetted. So Ice Aura does not have a reset. Ability is all. I have a reset. Not. Reset ability, reset ability. And what can I take from anywhere? I have a reset. Just the ability, okay. Something like this. Does exports, reset ability, ability ice or let's call it ice and ice. Next tick time is undefined. I guess this also reminds me of something, but nothing matters here. So I should be able to. Did I die yet? Let's die. I can no longer die. I missed my. So to die once, so I know I save the state. Not sure. I to activate my cheats again. Close king. Don't need to give him low HP. Wait. This is incorrect. Why are clouds here? The clouds spawn from Curse Ice. Does Curse Ice has still a link to the cloud curse? What is the problem? Okay, but let's ignore this for now and let's check if tanky. You should hit me now. Okay, the ice hour hits me. Can I outrun it? Yes, I made it. Oh, it hit me again. Cannot. I have to bait him. Can I bait him? Oh, can I abuse? Oh, yes, I baited him. Perfect. He's got out of there. So now the ice curse does damage and it lays stuff. This is fine now. Don't make him close, but far. And now we have clouds. Ice should be here. This is incorrect. Why does it spawn clouds? Why? This looks like it spawns cloud at the same position. And multiple. This is... something is off. These are too many clouds. Did I ever check? This one in... so... these are a lot of clouds. It's more like the number of ice. It is incorrect with this case. I have to find out. I have the curse as the boss. The boss is not spawned. Something is not adding up. Curse ice 11. And this is the wrong order of information. But minor problem. It's my time on debugging. Fine. I should not get clouds. Why do I get clouds? Should I... for some reason I end up in what? It is the curse ice? Does it have something left? Pain ice. First delete tick. I am so unsure. No, curse. I'm in ability. To go to curse ice, this one. Let's change random title to tick. Tick the curse. Okay, but this is when the boss is there. The clouds have to spawn. Why the clouds spawn? How did I manage this? The map modifier ice. Does this one? I did not clean this up. I think I can remove it finally. It have been used for an improvement, but let's solve maps. It's also not checked. Okay. Move if it's not used. Hope I didn't break anything. Seems I didn't clean up correctly. Okay. This is snowman. So confused. I don't remember how I spawned clouds. Tick game modifier. Get cloud spawn position. Wait ability object cloud. Isn't it this one? It's no cloud curse. No. Lightning curse. I have to put a waypoint. So I think let's check. So I destroyed the curse machine in this area, so it shouldn't be. Let's close all. I am interested in map modifiers, lightning, and this one. Is this the one I'm searching? Tick map modifier. Type lightning. Oh. What is happening here? This explains it. I have for some reason 11. Celestial direction. Celestial direction. So I'm guessing each restart creates a new. So there is some incorrect linking somewhere. Is das? What? Oh, how? Where do I link to the wrong function? Some data must be incorrect, I guess. So does the boss? No. Bosses? No. No, it's not what I want. The boss does not exist. Boss stuff? I need to find out where I add map modifier. Map modifier, tick map modifier, find map modifier on game init. This is probably add map modifier if king has curse. This might be the function which fails. Okay, so map modifiers on game init, I assume makes a problem. Map modifiers, game init. So I restart. I have modifiers 11. I start. I have modifiers 12. I added one. Probably should do it the different one. I have modifiers 12. Step over it. I have modifiers. Yes, okay. This function is failing. I go in. I check stuff. I check if the king has a curse. No, he hasn't. I check if the king has a curse. No, he hasn't. I check if the king has a curse. No, he has not. I check if the king has a curse. Yes, he has. I check king curses. The curse of the king is curse eyes. Perfect. Already exists. I check in the map modifiers and I will not find it. So, okay, now there are a lot. Let's see. Already exists? No. Area? The Celestial direction, yes. Curse type. Curse ice. Curse functions. I wait map modifier. Lightning. What? Curse functions. I have lightning here. Okay, here's an incorrect name. So somewhere in ice I still have the word lightning. Area grow. This should not matter. Still no lightning. Where does it come from? What is it? What is this? This is curse functions, not map modifier. Curse ice. Links here it is. Okay, I found it. Lightning. Modifier name ice. Now this makes sense. Would this be a reason of replay fails? It can. Because each restart I add one more ice curse. So if I have 2 ice curses, but it's only if the king has it. Okay, no, it cannot be. It could not be a problem. It would have been one, I guess. So now I restart. I think by restart I'm back to. No, he saved it. Oh my god. Okay, this is a broken state. To sadly throw everything away. 8 1. So close king, low king HP, close curses. Want legendary first. With my legendary. Now I want to take it and level it. 3, 4, 5. I take split shot. Split shot. Or split shot? Or split shot. Or rifles. Speed, additional charge, slow, speed, additional charge. Okay. Now I make myself immune. Let's get some levels. So kill this part. No, let's keep the spider alone. Kill this thingy, gives me a lot of level. Let's remove my immunity. So these clones don't spawn. Undefeatable. Okay. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Spawn a few bosses. And sniper. No. Okay, let's get the last bit of XP. Now I'm capped. I want. Now I have the weapon. I can restart. I can want to curse it. Don't have a strong curse, but it doesn't matter. I go in here. I don't see. Oh, I have it. Okay. I get cursed. Plus 10, which is good enough for me. I have defeatable. I'm not that strong. Now I have the ice curse. Now I need to know. No longer be close. No, don't cheat. So, no, I want cheats to see. I won here. This doesn't look good. Okay, the ice area is only inside the king area? I have to verify. These ice patches need to be everywhere. But maybe there's no strength behind it? Maybe because the curse is low? I need to figure it out. Let's look into the data. Modify on game init. I restart. I have jump over it. I have ice, 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 ice. It doesn't look good. Celestial direction, celestial direction, celestial direction. Okay, this should not happen. Again, you are adding type ice. So I have some match ice. So I have to check this one again, I guess. Win. I get a king with a curse. Third one has a curse. And now I check if curse to know if the curse exists. So I go over all. So the curse type is curse ice. Map modifier type. I need modifier. This is darkness. Okay, and there's a mismatch. Darkness, curse ice. What is now named incorrectly? Curse ice is not correctly. Curse darkness is also their name. Somewhere is a mistake. It's ice. When am I? Reset everything. Do I not compare the corrects for some time now? Modifier type. Okay, there is some matching incorrect. I would guess it would be for all. course all curses have curse something. Okay, I have to look at the code. How did I want it to be? Do I compare somewhere else? I have at least one set. Let's compare here. Types, type. Something. So modifier types. It's all types. Where functions. These are filled. Modifier name eyes. If I different darkness. I name darkness. This is only darkness. This is only eyes. And it's only lightning. So far, it should be, I guess. So I make an array where I assume none exists, and I iterate over all map modifiers. The celestial direction I ignore. Else I over the length, check if this position is a type. Game map modifier type. Continue. There's no data in here. Modifier type is now as darkness, which works because there's no comparing with a curse. Comparing with the curse only happens move map modifier celestial if no king with curse. Okay, this is C. I need a king with a curse. King has curse. Let curse of king versus. Why do I need exclamation marks here? I have both checked. Okay, I don't need. Let curse of king curses. King has curse. What is this? I check if this doesn't look correct. This is confusing me. This is unfinished. King has curse. I should compare. This looks unfinished. To do. Missing code. So there seem some buggy things happening with curses. I basically never splice out the celestial direction if a king has a curse. So if there's this, let's think slowly. I go over all map modifiers. I take a single map modifier. If this modifier is the celestial direction, I get the celestial directions for this modifier, get the king, and if the king has a curse, I keep it, else I remove it. This is not quite correct. So if I would defeat a king with a curse and my new character also has a curse, I would not remove the curse. This is not correct. So I accept every curse. But there is definitely missing code. For this I need to know. Oh, I wanted to make the connection. Now to this function. I think there's only one. The other one. Where I take the type of the map modifier with the curse type, and this is not correct. And I did the linking. The map modifier name. Who uses this? I think this was supposed to solve it. Was functions. And create the map modifier for the curse function. Okay, so I use it here. I link them and define it. So I never checked it correctly. Or was it only that the only eyes? I never did it multiple times, I guess. Didn't notice multiple clouds. Okay. So I don't compare correctly here. For this I need the curse functions, and the curse functions I need earlier, I guess. Now can compare to curse function map file name. And I would need to compare to this. I hope. Now I would not add an endless amount. So I still am interested in this function. I start. Did it not? Why was it not called on first game in it? Confused. Again, I reload. Okay, it's called. Then it's fine. Why didn't I reload? I'm confused. But let's go in here. I now step over stuff. I am searching a king with a curse. The third one should need it. I check if I have functions. Okay, now I go. Ice is darkness, no. Lightning, no. Ice is ice, yes. Type is circle, is not celestial, so no. Type is ice, a break is missing. Moment it's 2. I have to break. Something feels off. I didn't. 2, I break here. I mean, doesn't make that much difference in performance, but so I am now 2 because it's a celestial direction and it's the correct direction. So it already exists. I could break if it's. I continue, and there's no other one. It was all kings. Okay, nothing to do. But I think I still didn't clean up. This makes another problem. Map modifier, no king with curse. I could defeat a king with a curse with the same curse. Then he wouldn't clean up. What was of the modifiers? I have the area. Oh, Celestial doesn't have area. Still, it does have area per level, but area per level does area have nothing. Okay, so area per level doesn't matter. So it has level. Does have level. Think for a moment. Level 5, level 5. This is. I think I do not use it for Celestial Direction. Because it's for area, the level. Assume I don't use it, so I need to improve the code. Let's clean up correctly. I check for each map modify area type Celestial Direction. I check if a king exists. And the king has a curse. Check if the king has the correct curse. King has curse. I need to check if curse type, it's not curse type because I'm comparing with a map modifier, so I need the curse functions again. Functions, I would rather continue here. So I need curse functions, and then I need type with curse functions modifier name. I mean, if the map modifier here is the same as the curse function, which I do the curse type, then king has curse is true. I can break. And if king has curse, I continue. Else I would splice it out. This looks better. Now I have one more problem. king has curse too. I continue, else is played as there was no king. Now the problem is with multiple. The case the king with the curse. No, I wouldn't check if the king. If I would do the same curse again, he wouldn't add it. It's basically a case which should not happen if the code is not broken. So I guess I need to reset everything again. Read all data. I close this. I need to low king, close king. I want again a sniper king. So I sniper. Now I have a sniper. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do after image, fire line. Oh, I have 20 fire line, damage and range, low speed, charge, down. Okay, immune. Let's get some level. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This should be enough bosses. Should. I'm on 100. See to the end. 92. Why did I see 100? Ah, I did see this 100. This boss spawn. 9 bosses? Okay, I'm over. That is fine. So I can restart. I take. I failed close curses. Restart. I want. Destroy. Oh, they are increased. Where's the spider? Spider. There you are. This is dangerous. Okay, did it. I restart. Takes this weapon. Need to get the curse. It's missing. Time didn't start. I have time to think. I curse the weapon and then the king. King is close. Okay, this should be no problem. So how do I solve this maze? It's down. I don't think it hits. This is why I took ball all the time. But I did not see. Oh, I here. Probably this one. If I hit this corner, I would. This would be this corner. I think I miss it. From left. Have to think. I have no debugging for this. Set this corner. So this one, top left. Can I? Ooh, barely. This is the wrong corner. Speed it up. From left. Oh, not quite. What can I do? correct corner. I think this is also again failing as I did go here. Was here a lot of times already. So next. I take it again. Give me. I failed to solve it. What is here? I guess I have an idea. Okay, I solved it. This occurs 10, 11. Okay. Now I want to give it to the king. Perfect. Now I check, but this is still not solved that I get ice patches here. So I start a bit, and now I should restart again, and I should only have S4. Now I have the correct celestial direction only once. So this should be fine. This is a bug fix. Game task. I still have the I want more ice patches condition, so I would guess that my which function map modifier ice on chunk create modify. I have some. I need a middle. Should have a middle. And then my calculations are not adding up. Okay, let's try this. I want S map modifiers ice on chunk create modify. This has to happen. So I could be. I'm confused. This has to happen, but I now one to the left. Okay, now this should be chunk x5 minus 4. Do I have a middle? Yes, this is the middle I want to have. Next, it's a modifier. It's a tile size, chunk top left, FFR, I over every tile. I take the tile, I calculate the distance to the middle. Correct? I is maze tile. This should be false. Correct, I go here. Is it a grass tile? Fair? Yes, it is. Position, distance, fire level. Okay, now the level is important. So if my level would be high enough, it would be covered. It's level 10, which results in nearly no Berlin noise. Let's see. converted distance is 999. Now I get a purlin 0. I purlin get tile x. So this isn't. This should not be nice tile, which is fair. I guess I will never hit this one. Let's find out. Let's just make a stop in between. This is closer. I didn't want to change anything. 1998. Berlin get 0. I mean, I see noise here. Here I have minus. Minus? Is this a problem? I didn't know it can be negative. Okay, I have 6% or minus 14. I'm confused that it's negative. Shouldn't the whole reason be that it's between. Okay, Berlin get. I want to verify something. Didn't I think it's between 0 and 1? Berlin get? Or do I? Stone bigger and gas. Berlin get. Street stone. This gas. I think I assumed something. Berlin get. Put in 2 numbers. I do some calculation. Okay. So I have some incorrect assumption about Berlin get, I guess. So it's not. Okay, let's go. If it between minus 1 and 1, 4, 13, 18, 20, 17, 13. It's quite often negative. Tile X, tile Y. Tile Y is negative. If Y is negative, the whole thing turns negative? Something is off in my head. Eleven, 17, 19. 16. 31, 32, 38, 36. So I think it's between 1 and minus 1. This makes. Don't know if I forgot or didn't know, but this explains. So okay, they have big values, but what it needs to be is 99 8. So it's like very tiny probability, 0.5% or no, even less, 0.05 or something, 1 in 2000 approximately. So it could change a tile. It's incredibly unlikely. And it's dependent on the level. But because it worked before, I wouldn't. Doesn't matter. Go. Maybe it will tick once. Ticks. I found a tile. This might be the boss already. Steve, no. Level. I care for the modifier level. I should also check. Add everything has curse. Add map modifier. Yeah, ID counter. Don't care for the level. For darkness, it didn't matter. If for cloud, I I do not remember. For lightning, I do not remember. It's create. It is always just 5. It's basically their initial value. Maybe celestial direction needs to behave differently. But it's also interesting. Let's map modifier. I think in here. Map modifier no. Thing has curse. So I create map modifier. If map modifier. This can fail, but interesting. Map modifier level. And it my so I have king curse. I check does not exist yet. Each king curse, so I would curse a level like this, modifier level. Is this fair? These are different levels, but for darkness it shouldn't matter. For ice it would be fair. Let's see lightning. How would lightning be affected? Is it on chunk create modify? I don't think that lightning cares for it, no. For yeah, I tick. Do I care for the level? Middle. Direction. Ability object cloud. Calculate distance. Don't care for the level. Direction, strength. Strength is based on distance. Okay. Okay, now for ice, I make it based on the curse level. Let's try this. So, this means maybe there was some ice patch somewhere which I cannot see. I zoom out and maybe see one. Okay, I don't. So next, but this would also mean it doesn't update itself. That's one more thing I need to verify. Already exists is true. Let's check if map modifier level is not. It could be a different one, so I should lower it. Curse level and map modifier level is equals curse level. So now I would replace and breaks from this loop, and I would continue here for the next. Okay. Hope this is correct. Now I can try. So only the curse. Now I want to. Should I? Let's reset. Delete data. I want. Oh, king close king. I want my legendary first again. So out of experience, I kill the king. Experience, king. I have my legendary. I want 3, 4, 5 more rifles. Split shot. Split shot. Split shot. More rifles. Slow. Charge. Speed. Speed. Charge. Okay. I myself immune. I level my weapon. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I don't know. I maybe misclicked. Let's kill them and get level maxed. And I'm capped. Perfect. I start. Now I want close curses. I clean up the ones I do not want. Currently not want. Where are you, spider? There you are. I cleaned up. Now I need to increase the curse strength by a lot. So I need the 60, 70, 80. I think it's not enough. Is it? I don't know. I think I want. Let's make 50 more. Interesting. Don't see it. 20 more. Let's do it again. Ding. Okay. Now I might be fine. Now I take. I want close. I want. Okay. I need to solve this. Let's see. Maybe I just randomly slide around hoping it happens. Don't. Okay. I'm so bad at this. Stuck again here. No Stuck. It's looking good. Perfect. Now move this. Kill him. I want maximum curse. And after this I want to defeat the king. I did 160 bosses. Maybe I should, the longer I stand in it, the faster it takes it in. This is also strange. I don't, should these tiles should also change. Something is not working. So more bugs. But very tanky. I hope this is not a problem. Let's kill him. No. But I am 140, so no, it's not hitting the correct. It's, oh god, I have to hurry up, but I'm tanky. So I go here. One. Where we start now. Okay, no longer be close, and now I have to check. This king has curse 140. 140. 7,000, 8,000, 10,000, still not. Okay, on here it begins. I think I can change it up for the celestial direction a bit. Basically, it's only so it happened after a while. Okay, it's a pass. Here it begins, and then more and more and more, and there's a king area. Let's go in. This is tiny. Well, but it has the correct range. I'm not sure. So, but time is running short. I should size of seams of tile change seems to be not centered correctly. It's built this way. Somehow correctly. Okay. Tile chain seems to be centered correctly, so this king does have curse 140. He has far too much HP, but I can go close. Can check one more thing. Careful. of experience. Kill him. I take immunity. Oh my. No, this is back. He doesn't lose the ability. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. I take it. I got it. Okay, it had. Now it's always to the bottom right. Interestingly. I think I checked if it's with a small curse. So my dude has the ability. I don't care. I can not trade it, I'm sure. Okay, fine. I don't care. I take it. I get the cost 150. I change all the tiles to sliding tiles over time. It has particular effects. I guess I can check the curse once. Why? I don't think it might not be too hard. And I tick. I basically change random tile to ice. I get a random position. XY tile radius. This is only positive. It's only positive. So it would be tile radius times 2. I did and minus tile radius. This should be it. Now it should be him. Let's check him, take. Now it's correctly centered. Okay. I think this is a fix, so my thing is finished. So I still need to check stuff. Cannot use this state for testing, can I? I should not use it, it's broke. For my next one, okay. With that data, just remember. So that's ice curse related fixes. I have no idea. Let's see if things that missing with that, missing with that. Else this was one plus ice. Wrong link. Wrong linking to lightning. I have incorrect ice tile spawn. Let's make this is separated maybe, so I know it belongs together. Modifier, put it here. This was incorrect king, cursed king, add modifier add deleted unused code. So, okay, now I have all. I close others. I've changed a lot. I don't even know if my my tests will still work. Let's see. Okay, this is. Don't need to see this, but it worked. Activate all my tests. I have these shorts. I have sniper. And I think the rest is not yet done. Try. Test replace. Successful, 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 successful. So now the interesting one. So all in one. There's something strange happening with the paint, but I think on high replay speed it doesn't matter. New replay and it worked. So far so good. Nothing unusual happened. Doesn't I expected. Activate. No, not uncomment. Test runs. Copy. Now I can push. Gets deployed. I still have to check a few things. Okay, I have enough to do. I have a comment written down where I left off, so I know where to continue next time. Which means I can end here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.